morning. Good morning, you guys. It's your favorite is Cousin Wisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Good morning. You guys, just have a look.
Kingston views, huh?
Oh, you guys, we are in Kingston. We didn't go out of, you know, this time.
This time we're not going to see Kingston.
I mean, maybe before I leave, but
yeah.
Anyways, I'm dreading these stairs to go downstairs. But good morning. This is our view. Yeah. Yeah. So this is currently where we're staying, and now I gotta go down all these stairs. Yo, you guys, can you imagine me bringing up my suitcases yesterday? And don't mind that I'm in the same outfit. Okay, my legs are not shaved, and yeah, this shit is comfortable. So I will be out there. My frontal is coming off. Got so much sweat yesterday. Really look at time when I come here. And so that's why I have this on, because I put some more spray on it in hopes to hold it down, because I'm going out to eat tonight. Oh, Sugar Plum, he opened my door for me from inside the car. He opened my door for me from inside the car. Thank you, darling.
Don't always open the door. It's a sign of prosperity, and always open the door for your wife.
Oh, take time, no, sir. Take time. Take time.
Wow, what's the gates?
Oh, yeah, if you break, so take time. Jesus Christ.
Boy, that gate, nobody can run in. Yeah, I see it. I don't even say. I don't do last night. I do it. I say, learn the thing. I pull it from way out there, so.
Put on your seatbelt.
What? You want to say that now?
Oh.
I know it.
I know you could be to my wife and man inside. I know you have my thing different to me that.
Yeah, we're going to come up now. I'm just going to get the people them here.
Bro, you see how them stay? Both you passing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I love it here. I love it here. Jamaica is the best.
Can't pass them and tell them no.
No, I will tell them no sometimes, because like honestly, you're hitting the dirty and the dirty. But yo, when I watch Rolly's video, when I really watch Rolly's video, because he did the thing out here too.
Yeah, I know. Alright, exactly the same thing.
And when he was talking to the guy and he was just like,
I don't want to tell you why I'm beefing pick me.
hey, me say.
I see the one I'm share of it yesterday. Tears come out of my eye. I don't know me at all what I'm cold but watch me.
Listen.
Look at you mother paralyzed, she's sick and paralyzed. And I make him day nice and just say, yo, the last time you were $500.
That's why I like, especially when I see the kids out here. That's what I'm saying. I have to. It just in me for just give them some.
I tell you why it's so close to me.
Remember when we did that Burger King and the lady buy the food for him? I was gonna buy the food for him, you know, and the lady
and the one where they stop right over the
because yo, to not be in school as a child.
And some of them have to do that for go to school too. Because I look into it. You see my originally live at Maxine. I have a youth named Rambo used to do it. Right now in Bridge in Big Bread and Mad. More time pass my for children and tell man. Rambo used to do it for sending bread at them go to school. Because your mother never have money and she have 10 people. Yeah. And my brother used to do it.
You see all of them situations that them someday.
It's personal to me.
Them something they grieve me because me I say, if you not have it, why you keep on a breed?
Exactly. And none of them have a breed that she don't know how to. None of them have a father. You know. He used to grieve me, man.
That's crazy.
And that made the youth have to go out there.
Slow down.
You see. You have to drive crazy, you're saying.
No. You're not drive crazy with me.
Oh, shit.
Okay? I'm not breed yet. Oh.
So breed it still. You know say.
Just pay attention to the road. Just pay attention to the road.
The destiny will come true. You're not gonna breathe till it come. I feel like I'm gonna do one of them stressful day, man.
What?
I'm gonna do all kind of thing. I go on all kind of thing.
Oh, in that kind of way. I thought you meant like like attitude kind of way, like yeah, like that's what I'm like me.
Boy, I don't stress when it comes to certain things. You know you're picky.
I don't think I'm picky.
You know you're spoiled already.
I don't think I'm picky, babe. I don't think I'm picky.
You're spoiled.
I don't think I'm picky.
You're not really picky.
I just like what I like. I'm not spoiled. You're talking about spoiled, Joel? He's talking about spoiled?
Yeah, paper.
Oh, we are in Kingston. I am so nervous. Like, I just don't like Walipa crowd and Bangarang.
Hey, yeah, forget I see now a Christmas in a bed. A Christmas.
But instead, I don't like when you drive up, so you don't hear.
No, you have to understand.
I mean, I want to understand. I mean, like no, I don't like that.
You understand.
Say good morning.
You have somebody come off you.
Say aye. Say good.
GM. Good morning to the vlogs.
Where you go?
We don't family friend.
You guys, I feel like everywhere in Jamaica has a clock. There's a clock somewhere in the center of somewhere.
And crossroad.
Because Sam Sharp Square, no, not Sam Sharp Square, I lie, but we have a place in Montego Bay where we call it clock. Yeah.
We have a main clock in every parish.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Know that.
I mean, I haven't been to every parish.
Oh, yeah, man, every parish.
But I do notice that I see it.
And you're right, you know?
When we did have one man down No, when we did have one man down Clarendon.
Yeah, we not even know you ever go Clarendon.
I didn't live over there.
Story come to Bob.
You're an idiot. That was so long ago. If you watch my videos on my YouTube channel, you would have seen the story time.
I see it.
When I
see it. I see the man.
You never see the man?
Country boy.
Oh, you could have seen him. I'm not show him.
Oh, but me hear him voice.
You could have hear him voice. I'm not playing nothing for him. No. No.
Who watch all the vlog them go down, you know?
It wasn't a vlog. It was a story time.
I understand some scrutiny.
Anyways, so yeah, when I used to meet him, I can't remember where I used to drive and go meet him. Spanish Town?
Yeah,
I used to go to Spanish Town and take a taxi from Spanish Town and go over which part him did there. Right? And which part the taxi would have left me off? For which part him for come meet me? We take the next taxi to go over him yard.
Alright, so if I make you come from far and I take taxi to meet them, okay.
I used to take a taxi back in the days. We used to take taxi go all about. Anywhere me want to go. When we used to come up here, come look for, when we used to come up here for come look for Kamisha. take taxi. He never drive, so how me for reach?
Yeah, no make no sense.
How me for reach? Him couldn't come at my father's house.
No make no sense if him not.
How me for reach? Him can't come at my father's house. I'm half about her.
My father right chop him.
Oh.
Man have a rusty last there. When I chop the coconut and I say imagine we go do something and the man rush me like that. I'm sure that.
Oh.
Cause here what? If you had the cut, I'm gonna kill you, the rust inside.
Oh, glad you know.
Father General, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Today is my daddy's second year anniversary. It is December 22nd. It is my daddy's anniversary. Y'all have so much glue on my eyelashes. I don't know what's up yesterday.
I'm like, you really glue it. I'm going to force me to see so much glue.
Yo.
Like, you really glue them.
Honestly.
Travel, so.
that was not it at all, I promise. However, anyways, yeah. So,
Road, Portmore.
We're going to Portmore.
Nice.
We just enjoyed a little ride. Babe has to pick up something from home. And we're gonna go to the grocery store. And yeah, we're supposed to be linking up with some people today. Fingers crossed everything goes well.
Link up with the fans, them, you know? Fam.
I was like, fans? Nigga, we don't have fans.
What?
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff. We're gonna cook. And yeah, and then we're probably gonna go. Yeah, and then we're probably gonna go out later today.
No problem.
Oh yeah, go eat. All the vibes.
I mean, we can't go no for food.
No, just little.
Like
you know?
lunch.
Yeah.
That's all good dinner.
Yeah. Just get some stuff for the air. Some drinks and water and, you know, little snacks and little knickknacks and little littles, you see me?
Yeah.
So yeah, enjoy the ride and I'll talk to you guys. Sorry for the gum chewing. I'll talk to you guys when I get to talk to you guys, okay?
People them say gum chewing never stress them out.
I know, right? I can't help
That gum they done already?
I can't help it. That's why I'm glad for the little marks to block the little impurities and insecurities. You know? Can't chew my gum so everybody not feel.
Watch out.
You know? Yeah, this was not intentional. These masks were from my bridal shower because these are what I customized and gave to the people what I had leftovers. Yeah.
And look how it happened.
And I was trying to find the one that I bought, my N95 mask that I thought I put on the bed.
You left it
but it looks like I packed it in my suitcase or it's gone somewhere, I don't know.
You left it on the bed?
No, but look, me clear off the bed because it was the last thing that I needed. But me not see it, so me I said me probably pack it in the suitcase. Can't blow off. Breeze in my room. Yeah, so I ended up seeing one of these from, as I said, my bridal shower, and we just took it, and it matched. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna wear this outfit for the rest of my trip. So this sweatsuit compatible, people, me not tell no lie. I hope them still have it in store when I go back out so we can buy somewhere. Me not lie, this?
Oh, yes, sir.
What?
I left the house key.
Which house key?
My house.
Yeah, I don't remember what I was saying, but I'll be back. progressive. Babe broke my shield. Just look at him. Look on him. My favorite idiot.
UFO.
Ooh, okay. I want to try these. You guys, I've been seeing so much about these potato chips. Everybody has been talking about them. I'll make a try. I'll get 2 of the regular ones. 1 of the spicy. Yeah, I watched too many videos on that to not try it. Do you need butter for rice? Do you need butter? The grocery, well, it's kind of early still, so in a 3 pack, but when did I go to know? Rumble. Coconut rumble. I thought it was a Timbit. Boy, I'm nervous.
Why?
I mean, no, I want to try it, but I'm nervous. This looks like it's full of rum. Just
Yeah, that one.
let me get one that has all 4. Yeah, try this. See if there's no other kind of pastry. My Black Forest. I don't know why Black Forest stuff is so dear, you know.
With this.
Maddie.
Yeah,
They know who it is.
Show
This
them.
is not the focus. So we're here to get snacks and juice and water. What else we need? Why are you laughing, Joel? What do you need to cook?
Some blue myself. I'm like when they play by the pound.
I'm gonna do a baked macaroni.
So take one then.
I'm just trying to find the
Oh, you have to get cheese then different.
yeah.
You see what you want it, natural way.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like how me love with the paper.
But then I need like a little sitting of flour.
Yeah, flour there man. Flour.
Cream.
Now we're going to stop at Wilson and buy a little bit of flour and I pass it instead of buy the pack.
So them, yeah, them wouldn't have little phone.
No, I'm have them buy pack. Oh, see them here? A good thing, God good. You know, have small flour. Yeah, a good thing. These are too much same here, none less than this.
What are we gonna do for like breakfast? What are we gonna do for breakfast?
Egg and something.
Egg.
It's original Jamaican breakfast. What you want for breakfast? You put for even a bit.
Egg. You can't cook egg for people?
Omelette. Omelette, the boss is sitting. With cheese and bacon and all kind of sitting.
Yo, you think Jamaicans are easy? This is so funny. So I was like, oh, look, those are strawberries, right? And then what is right beside the strawberries? Whipped cream. And what am I trying selling at the store, people? Strawberries and whipped cream. Okay? Oh, that's hilarious. So anyways, this is what we've got so far. Just some juice, some waters. Yeah, stuff to cook. See love, things you do, baby. Ooh. Run it back to you.
Whoa!
I might get copyright, but oh well.
And I can't stand it. Must everything you do make me want to smile. And I not like you for a while. No, you let me. And you upset me, girl, when you kiss your
Well, when you kiss your teeth.
You love this.
You know I hate it. You know exactly what to do. So that I can't stay mad at you for too long.
Even though my malice you for like a couple days or so.
You know exactly how to touch. So that I don't want to fuss if I no more.
go. Hey guys, I don't think I vlogged when I got back home, but we made it back home from the supermarket. We made it back home from Portmore. We're back in Kingston, and yeah, so we just finished cook. Babe made some fried chicken and I made some macaroni and cheese. Yeah. We're supposed to be going out tonight to eat, so we're not trying to eat too much. We're still waiting on our guests. They should be here soon.
So, next 15 minutes, I feel like.
I am excited for this because you guys have been asking for this for so long. So I'm really, really excited for this reunion. It's been long overdue. And yeah, so yeah, that me I do right now. I consume, I watch a couple YouTube videos. Thank you. I watch a couple YouTube videos and wait till, yeah, and then figure out what I'm going for the rest of the evening. Yeah, so yeah.
You know, I show them how I'm going to buy pot.
I just showed my food. I showed my food, right guys? Yeah, fried chicken and macaroni and cheese. I don't say I will eat for macaroni and cheese, but and so.
And so.
And so.
And
so. My things, yeah, man. I'm
gonna
have a squeezed limeade to wash it down. If you guys don't know about squeezed limeade, I know you guys have not heard me talk about this just now.
Show them the bad nails.
Okay, not just now. Okay, thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna consume this and then yeah, come back when our guests come. Okay?
I can vlog right through, you know. We are going up.
Long distance loving. And I really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something. Make you can dance on this long thing.